100. And Melbourne, Florida. Sophia wears braces and has a tattoo on her left shoulder depicting a rose. The child may be in the company of Paris Diaz, a white female, 37 years old, 5 feet 5 inches tall, with brown hair and blue eyes, and Curtis Cunning, a white male, 33 years old, 6 feet 3 inches tall, 200 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Curtis possibly has a beard. They may be traveling in a white Ford F550, Florida tag number IBI-B68. This is a recreational vehicle. Located, do not approach. Contact law enforcement immediately. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Palm Bay Police Department at 321-952-3456 or 911.